is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new and very anticipated, very secretive launch of the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stix High Shine Gloss Stick, as well as the traced out longwear waterproof pencil lip liner. Whew, that's a mouthful. But before we get started in this review video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as like, share, comment this video. It really helps out my channel a lot. And just like that, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so first of all, this is what the new Fenty gloss sticks look like. I love the packaging. It is very elegant, and I really like how they made the outside match the inside color. I think that is very creative and a very nice touch, if I do say so myself. So I love the packaging. I like that it keeps like that octagon Fenty signature Fenty shape. So packaging spot on. It's just very aesthetically pleasing to be able to see the gloss shade on the packaging. So very nice touch. So this is a very like anticipated launch that Fenty Beauty has been kind of like hinting at on their Instagram, and they have had like people guessing like online, leaving Instagram comments. This, as well as the new Fenty lip liners, they have been like very secretive about it, and it was kind of like a very like soft launch. They were giving us like little hints here and there, so it was like a really big like surprise when they finally announced the products, and it was a really big hit on Instagram. It really had all the beauty fanatics like raving about it, talking about it on Instagram, so that was really cool. Fenty Beauty has actually had a lot of success with pretty much all of their lip products. They launched like the liquid lipsticks, which is, by the way, still one of my absolute favorite liquid lipsticks of all time. It's right up there with like the NARS liquid lipsticks. The Fenty liquid lipsticks were amazing. So they have had tons of success with launching their lip products. So this right here is a very welcome addition to the lip liner saga in the Fenty Beauty world, and especially the lip liners. Like, we have been needing lip liners for a while from Fenty. I love Fenty Beauty's like embracing all of that like feedback that they've been getting from their clientele and finally giving us what we want. So that aside, the gloss bomb sticks are supposed to be kind of like the gloss bombs but in a stick form. These are said to be like medium pigment, whereas the regular gloss bomb lip glosses are obviously just like light pigment. These are supposed to be a little bit more pigmented, but still keep that high shine look to them. These gloss bomb sticks run $25, and the website, the Sephora website, says that they have a big dose of vitamin E and shea butter for up to 8 hours of moisture. So we're getting some really good hydrating ingredients in here. And the traced out longwear waterproof pencil lip liners are $20, which is kind of steep, but they're not as expensive as the MAC lip liners, which are said to be, I think, $25. These Fenty lip liners are $20. Yeah, like that's still a lot of money for pretty much like a pencil, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try it out and see if it's worth it. These are supposed to also last up to 8 hours, and they are said to be waterproof. With all of this information aside, let's go ahead and get straight into our lip application, shall we? And we're gonna try it out. Alright, so I'm going to start with the color that I'm most excited to try out, which is obviously the pinks. I'm a really big fan of pink, and I'm going to begin by using the Fenty Beauty Traced Out Lip Liner in the shade Riri. And I almost forgot to mention that I really love the gold detail on the packaging. I think it adds like a nice little like something in contrast to the shade. You have like some nice gold details, and I'm all about that. Like, gold details on packaging, like I am a sucker for that. But anyways, nice color. Wow. Whoa. Do you guys see this? Like, that is amazing. I didn't even have to try to get this pigment on here, and it's super pigmented. First layer, you guys saw it with your own eyes. That was amazing, and it's so creamy too. I even had a little bit of product, extra product, like kind of come out. I think I pressed too hard. I went in with too much pressure, but let's just finish the bottom. Wow, just so effortless. Like barely needing to touch. Like if I barely touch it like this, you can see it like filling in, like it's so good. This pigment is so creamy, so pigmented. Like wow. I've been saying this a lot in my channel, but when the product does the work for you, that's when you know it's a really good product. So I've said that before, and I'm saying it again. The Fenty Beauty Traced Out Lip Liner is the bomb, and I'm only like 10 seconds in to wearing it and trying it out. Like wow. Okay, so this is what we have using the Traced Out Lip Liner in the shade Riri. I'm gonna go ahead, of course, I'm gonna fill it in with the Riri Gloss Bomb Stix. And it's sporting the beautiful Fenty Beauty logo. And we're just gonna go for it. Oh my god. That felt so good, so creamy, super pigmented. This is way more pigmented than I thought it was going to be originally. So let me finish the bottom. Wow, amazing. Like, what do you say when a product is this bomb, this good, this pigmented? Like, wow, that is beautiful. Oh my god. This gloss bomb stick is matching perfectly with the Traced Out lip liner in the same shade Riri. Like wow, this combination, this lip combination is just out of this world amazing. It's super pretty, super pigmented. I just keep saying pigmented because I'm so like surprised by how pigmented this formula is. Like Fenty Beauty, like again, once again, knocked it out of the ballpark. They delivered us an amazing formula. Like this is so far amazing. Like wow. And as I'm talking, like my lips feel even way more hydrated with this product than they did before applying the Gloss Bomb stick. Like wow. And the fact that you can get something like so like creamy and like hydrating like this in a stick form is like out of this world. I don't even know like what magic Fenty Beauty is like working with, but it's wow. I am so excited to finish trying out the rest of these colors. This product is amazing so far, so let's keep on trying them out, shall we? All right, so next up, I'm going to try the Traced Out Lip Liner in the shade Rubbabandz, this nice nudie color, and I'm going to be matching it with the Fenty Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Fenty Glow. So this is a universal nude in the Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. They made it into the Gloss Bomb Stick. So we're just going to be trying these two lip combos. Going to start with the Traced Out Lip Liner here. And would you look at that? Once again, just one swift application and we're good to go. Like that was the easiest and quickest like lip liner application I have ever applied on my lips. Whoa. Wow. Oh my god. Like as you can see here, my lips are pretty pink like naturally. This lip liner is so pigmented that I am able to like kind of mask and make them nude with like again just minimal effort. Wow, like lip liner, this lip liner helps a lot. So now I'm going to top it off using the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Fenty Glow. Okay. Check it out. So it's very nude. It's a lot more nude than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to match exactly what the Traced Out Lip Liner in the shade Rubbabandz was going to look like. I thought Fenty Glow was going to be more of a darker nude shade than it is. Right now, you can definitely see where the lip liner stops and where the Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Fenty Glow starts. Like you can see that separation. It's a really good lip combination, I will say. Like this is a very trendy with a darker lip liner and a very light nude lip shade to fill it in. That is very trending right now. But I don't know, I don't think it's giving a complete like look of what the Fenty Glow color is supposed to look like. So I'm just gonna wipe a little bit from here, take some off. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then I'm gonna go in again with another layer. Yeah, just like that. You can get a lot more of like a true sense of what the Fenty Glow color looks like. I kind of want to do a little swatch on the back of my hands here so we can get a sense of the true color. Very pretty, nude, nice and nude, super high shine, glossy. But yeah, check this out. This is what it looks like. Fenty Glow is such a pretty color. I would say this is like a perfect nude for my skin tone. And the fact that I paired it with the Rubbabandz lip liner, it looks so bomb. Like, this lip combination is bomb. Love it. Okay, so once again, I'm going to grab my traced out pencil lip liner in the shade Riri, and I'm going to be matching it with the shade Is It Fussy. Okay, I will say I think the shade Riri in the traced out lip liner might be a little too dark and show up a little more than what I want for the shade Is It Fussy. Really, I would have liked to match Is It Fussy with the traced out lip liner in the shade Thugs Cry 2, which is more of a softer mauve pink shade that would have matched perfectly with Is It Fussy. That's pretty. It almost seems like a brown. I thought it was going to be a lot more pink, but let's try it on the lips and see what it looks like. Okay, so I will say I think this shade in the Gloss Bomb Stick is the one that matches my natural lip color the most. I would say it's almost like pretty much like spot on with my natural lip color. This is such a pretty natural pink. It's beautiful. Had I used the traced out lip liner in the shade Thugs Cry 2, it would have looked a lot more like soft pink, if you know what I mean. But this is still very pretty. These Gloss Bomb Sticks are the bomb so far. I think last but not least, I'm going to be trying out the darkest shade combination that I picked out for myself. Of course, there are more intense browns in this collection, both in the lip liner as well as in the Gloss Bomb Sticks. But the darkest shades that I picked out for myself in the lip liner was the shade Satin Panty, and I'm going to be matching that with the shade Spice Cold in the Gloss Bomb Stick. So this is going to be our last lip combo. I mean, look at that. That is so pretty. I think this might be my favorite combination, but let's take this off and try it out. Okay, so this is a lot more pink than I had anticipated. It's so pretty, such a like natural color. It's not like too nude, it's not too brown, it's not too orange, and it's not too pink. It's just like a really perfect natural lip color. I am so impressed with this shade, like so pretty. Yeah, look how pretty. I love this. I think I'm gonna fill in my lip a little bit using this lip liner because I love the color so much. It just makes me feel like so pouty. All right, check that out. Did you see how creamy and how easy it was to apply the traced out lip liner? Wow, that is my only reaction. It's like, oh my god, this product is amazing and the bomb. But this is what the color Satin Party in the new Fenty Beauty Trace lip liner looks like on the lips. Very pretty, very very natural. Love it. And now, like I said, we're gonna finish it off by topping it with the shade Spice Cold in the new Gloss Bomb Stick. Whoa. Oh my god, I used way too much pressure. Like, I need to take some off. But wow, that is a lot more brown than I thought it was going to be. But I like that. Look at this. I feel like so sophisticated with this color. Immediately high shine, for sure. So again, very impressive. The new Fenty Gloss Bomb Stick is like checking off all the check marks in terms of like pigment and like application and wearability. It's very comfortable on the lips. So far, it's just so amazing. But oh my god, this is such a pretty color. This is like a dark brown, but it's a really pretty dark brown. Like, it's not like too intense dark brown. Let's see what it looks like next to Is It Fuzzy. But yeah, next to Is It Fuzzy, it looks quite brown in comparison to the lightest pink in this collection, but so far it looks really nice. It doesn't feel like it's too overpowering of a color on the lips. I am so impressed. Once again, all of the traced out lip liners are amazing, phenomenal, color on point, texture on point. Like, they glided right on, as you guys saw. There was immediate pigment. I didn't have to like stay there for like ever and try to really like get that color by building it in layers. Like, no, you get pigment right away. And yeah, if you haven't snatched these up, like, go get them. If you only got one of them, I'm sorry to say, getting just one gloss bomb stick is gonna make you want to go buy all of them because they're just that good. They're so worth it, so worth the price, and they are so worth adding to your collection. Run, don't walk. All right, guys, so that does it for my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Sticks and Traced Out Lip Liner review. If you like this review video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified, be the first to be notified when I upload a new and exciting makeup video, makeup content. If you like this video, drop me a like and also consider sharing this video to your friends or family. It helps my channel vastly. But once again, I want to thank you so much for sticking till the very end. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.